What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. In today's video we are going to be reviewing this package from Reebok. Now these dropped on Halloween, October 31st, 2020, and this is the Reebok Ghostbusters collaboration. There were two sneakers that dropped. This pair is the Ghostsmasher, and it was extremely limited. Comment down below, were you able to pick this pair up? And the other sneaker that dropped was inspired after the the uniforms, the brown canvas overhauls that they do wear in the blockbuster film Ghostbusters. Now if you did pick that pair up, absolutely beautiful pickup, but personally I decided to pick these up. Now first and foremost, guys, let's start off with the box that we do have here. We have Ghostbuster Reebok branding on the front of the box, and then we do have busted up and more Reebok branding and Ghostbuster accents on this box. Absolutely beautiful, great execution from Reebok. But more specifically, we are going to be concentrating more so on the sneakers in today's video, but the box is absolutely beautiful. Now guys, man, they did an absolute amazing job designing, and the execution, the details on this pair of sneaker, which we're going to be pointing them out. Now first off, right off the rip, guys, you can see that perhaps this sneaker looks very familiar if you are a Ghostbuster fan, and the reason why it may perhaps look very familiar is this sneaker is designed after the Ecto Mobile, or the Ecto 1. A lot of people refer to it as one or the other, and on the medial of this sneaker we do have a red stripe that does go through the medial and the heel of the sneaker and on the inside of the sneaker, and that is to signify the stripe that is on the Ecto 1. Now getting back into more design aspects of this sneaker, as you can see, this is a white, primarily leather upper, and I gotta tell you, the leather quality on this sneaker is very good, very premium leather and material that they did use on this sneaker, and it is aged. It does have a slight yellow tint, and then on the midsole of the sneaker we do have a little bit of scuff marks there, and the reason they wanted that is because the Ghostbuster original film was back in 1984, and they wanted this pair to look like it was an aged old pair of sneakers that perhaps has been sitting in a closet or sitting in a box. And we do have a dusty outsole on the black outsole that we do have here. You kind of see like it looks like there's dust or debris, some type of dirt, and just they wanted this to look like an old pair of sneakers. I think you guys pretty much get that, and they did an absolute amazing job on the execution. Now the most bold part of the sneaker is obviously on the heel of the sneaker we do have that ghost backpack, which is meant to symbolize what they actually wear in Ghostbusters when they are wearing those backpacks to fight the ghost away. And a lot of people were asking, is this removable? And yes, it is removable if you don't want to wear this sneaker every single day. All you have to do is simply remove it, and it's very easy to move. On both sides of the sneaker we have the exact same design. You just move it up, and then these simply unplug very easily. They do have a little bit of resistance, but they're easily removable. You can take them in, take them out, and as you can see here we have a very wearable sneaker that perhaps you would want to wear every single day. And here we have what it would look like without the pump, and this is what it would look like with the pump. So pretty much for me personally, this is my everyday sneaker, and this is my Halloween sneaker when I put on my UPS overalls, and this is I'm gonna go trick-or-treating. I can't help but to think, was this collaboration actually inspired after Dustin from Stranger Things? You guys probably already know he dressed up as Ghostbusters many times in the show, and he was wearing Reebok in that show. So it just makes me think, was this pair and this collaboration inspired after that? Now getting into more design details of this very well executed pair of sneakers, we already mentioned the aged yellow material that we do have here on this white leather, very good quality, but we do have more Ghostbuster accents on the right sneaker on the inner part, and then we do have that Reebok branding on the outer part of the sneaker, which does combine the legendary Reebok logo with the Ghostbuster logo. And then moving forward to the tongue of the sneaker, we do have a black leather here, and it does have the famous Ghostbusters logo. And I can't get the insoles of these sneakers out because they are glued in, but it's the exact same logo that we do get on the tongue here is featured on the insole. And referring to the comfort on the inside of the sneaker when you are wearing this, we do have a very soft nylon. This is very comfortable, so it's not like it's leather back to back. They did feature nylon on the inner part of the tongue there, so it's very comfortable. And it does have exposed foam here, not only on the top of the tongue, but also on the upper of the sneaker here. So very well execution, very good quality sneaker from Reebok, and I think they did an absolute amazing job on this collaboration. Now comment down below, what do you actually think about this pair? Did you pick this pair up? And how would you rock this sneaker? Would you rock, you know, your everyday classic look, or would you go with the Alien Smasher, Ghost Smasher, whatever debris that we do have on the back of the sneaker there? Now overall, guys, this is a very well executed collaboration from Reebok. We would love to hear what you guys have to say about this pair. Did you pick it up? And if you did pick it up, what are you gonna do with it? God bless each and every one of you. We hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Be sure to subscribe for more videos in the future, and have a great day.